Annyeong 여러분, 진행입니다. And today we're gonna unbox some of the dito sa BTS piece. These are part of my collection now. Halos makakompete ko na ang discography ng BTS. Hindi lahat, hindi lahat ng version. Hello, hindi ako ganun kayaman. Pero yung at least one per era, album set, ganon. So, ang mga nakuha ko lately, and this is from Mads Mallow K-pop Shop. Not sponsored. Thank you, Mads Mallow K-pop Shop. Kasi siya yung naging source ko ng mga maraming pang-kompleto ko ng collection lately. So, we have Dark and Wild. Oh my God. Sige. Baka hindi ko muna ito i-unbox. Tignan natin kung madali lang i-unbox. Ayan pala. Some of my albums I bought sealed from Weavers. But lately, yun nga, nakikita ko siya dito sa trusted ko na K-pop pasabay, merch shop. So, yan. Unsealed to, si Dark and Wild. Unbox natin. Sige, let's see. Oh, wow. Ganda. Oh, di ba? Ito yung hindi ko alam kung ito yung earliest or third album nila. Ang ganda. Black. Okay. Teka, tignan ko kung may laman pa ba to bukod sa CD. Hindi ko wala na. Parang ano na lang to. Okay, wag na. Baka masira ko pa. But yes, yan yung era na yun. And then, Wings. So, Wings, meron na talaga ako nito. As in, J-Hope pa yung photo card. Pinigay siya ng friend ko from Korea. Co-intern ko nun. And then, hindi ko alam, nawala yung CD. So, hindi ko na alam nasan siya. But yes, here is the Wings. Ano bang letter ko? G yata. Yes, G edition. And yun. Gusto ko sing songs dito kaya bumili ulit ako ng CD. And kahit unsealed siya, and wala na yung photo cards. Yun usually, pag unsealed, mas mura siya kasi wala na yung photo cards, binibenta nila. Or yung pinagkukunan nila is yun yung mga nagko-collect and then binibenta nila. So, kaya siya nagmumura ng price. And then, other old albums. This is HYYH. Wow. This is HYYH. Ang ganda. So, nakalagay third album. Tama ba? Ay. Grabe. Pa itsura nila dito. Ay, ito. Sino yan? Ha? Sino yan?
Sinigang ay sinigang.
Not sinigang. Grabe, iba itsura nila. Oh, notebook pala to. Okay, tingnan natin kung gagawin natin siya notebook. But, yes, hey! Excited to hear it. And then, we have School Love Affair. So, excited ako dito kasi bongga ang laki ng The Love Yarn. Special edition siya. Special edition. At may mga sulat-sulat nila. I mean, hindi naman real sulat, pero cute. Yan. School of Affair.
Cute.
Ito, photo book. Oh, pagets. And then, dalawang CD pala siya. Yan. So, ang mga tracks dito, Miss Right, yung mga kabisado ko. Kabisado?
What's the number for?
Jump. Hindi ko kasi mabasa kasi naka-contact lens ako tapos mali yung grado niya. Anyway. So 3 pala yung CD. Oh. Sige, alamin natin yan soon. Pero, yung pinaka-excited ako is PTD. So, kaya ako naka-orange. O, diba? PTD Live. So, ito yung latest na sa kanilang, wow. Yeah, I'm just unboxing. So, PTV Live.
Hello.
I have 2 versions. May pinagkaiba dito. Oh, may ganun. Then, may pa-preview siyang ganyan. Royce. Meron siyang slot keme. I don't know why. Royce. Okay. So, gusto ko talaga yung white. Ayan. And then, meron pa siyang mga laman. So, looks like a bookmark. Others are likely bookmarks also, or like, ayan, pwede siyang bookmark. And then, mga photo postcard. So, ito yung, Kim Namjoon, Kim Soo-jin, yung ni Jung Ho-suk, at Jimin, Kim Taeyang, Don Jungkook, kids. Yan ang gwapo nila. And then, CD, of course. And then, yung lyric sheet. Ganyan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin today. And this is your daily reminder to use your merch. Dahil fun sila. So, diba? Yung huli kong pinakinggan was Love Yourself. Makakompleto ko na. Yung debut na lang. So, parang kay Taylor Swift, debut na lang yung kulang ko. I believe. At saka yung isang, hindi ko alam kung may difference yung isang HYYH. At saka, wala pala ako nung Dynamite. Although kasi single lang naman yun. So, at saka parang mahirap siya hanapin for some reason. Baka dahil yun yung Grammy nominated. And then, wala ako. Yung mga game. Kasi, hindi ko rin alam kung saan ko sila isosource. Kung may available pa nun. So, yun. Pero almost complete ka na. Meron pa ako checklist eh. Pakinggan lang natin siya. This is a reminder also to keep streaming PPD. Diba? And, yung isa dito, nag-isipan ko kung i-grand giveaway ko siya. So, yun. That's a reminder today to unbox and use your merch dahil fun sila. And, hello, BTS music is the best music. So, bago tayo bumalik sa mga Taylor Swift ganap, dito muna ako. Ito muna ang igagasgas ko sa CD player ko. Tadang! Ito pala, my favorite era still is Love Yourself. So, Love Yourself pala, I have the Her at saka si Answer, pero wala ako ng tier. So, yun, baka hanapin ko yun kasi yun yung may trivia, di ba? So, Mads Mallow, baka naman. That's it for today. Annyeong! Annyeong! Ang tagal ng intro ng on.
You say Diam Young.